What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. This is kind of a double purpose video. It's going to kind of serve as a project update on the GTO, as well as a guide to install taillights and back glass on one, in case you need to do that stuff. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay, so the real trick to this thing is you got to get this stuff called window sealer. And this is a 3/8 of an inch cushion that goes underneath the glass. It's made out of tar and seals it all up. And it sits it at the right height so that when you put the glass in, the trim will just sit up and everything will line up. Supposedly, we'll see how it turns out. Okay, now you over your black tar on your side? Yeah, I am on my side.
Yeah, lift that through. You want the top probably to be
pretty secure. Okay, I gotta come my way. Okay, I'm secure. You? Alright, now secure it, pressing it in. This is Hadley. He's a friend of mine. He came to help me out. There's probably a glass expert in the comments saying, oh, you guys are doing it wrong. That we can see if we're lined up. Wow. Almost perfect. I mean, around the edges needs a little bit. Just a bit of a warning for anyone wanting to use these aftermarket taillight lenses is that they use hot glue to secure this trim. And when it gets cold out, obviously that becomes very brittle. I'm going to use a new adhesive to put on this so that it's going to be a lot more stronger now. So I ended up just taking off the lens and sitting it face down and putting weights on the back. That's way better than whatever I was thinking with the bar clamp. Awesome. That's a wrap, boys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope some of you found it helpful. Be sure to subscribe, like, and everything, and I'll see you next time.